Hey, this will be a video chart on BZCN, Biz Auctions Incorporated. Been tracking this one for the past few months and still get a bunch of requests on it, so I want to get it updated. Video won't be too long, won't be anything spectacular, but get things updated from the technical analysis standpoint, and that way, for those of the people that use charts, they'll kind of have an idea of where everything stands and know what to look for, what you want to see, don't want to see, and all that good stuff. So the thing that I'm seeing here, and what's really standing out right now, is simply this right here. Volume has basically dried up, which is good and bad. Good in the sense that it's looking like the major selling is done. Sure, the price is still coming down here a little bit, but it's nothing drastic like here where the price was just dropping very quickly on the bigger volume. It's dropping, but on much less volume, which shows that hopefully the sellers are out, and right now this is just minor profit taking. Sure, it's the holiday time and things are slowing down a little bit here, but it's much better than having some big nasty red volume day with the price plummeting down. So that's what really sticks out, is just how much the volume has really started to dry up here. And like I said, yes, the price is going down, but nothing drastic, nothing huge, not like here where it basically fell off a cliff and then did a skydive down here. Very gradual. So what I'm seeing shaping up here is kind of a couple different scenarios. I personally think, and this is my opinion, I hope I'm wrong, but I think the price is going to wander down to this area right here, this previous low. I don't know if it'll be this week or next week, but I think sometime relatively soon. This low is at 0.0011, and if it does drop down here, this is where this is more of a hope right here, but hopefully it'll do a double bottom, meaning it'll come down here, hover around this 0.0011 area, and then make a nice move up. Will that happen? I have no idea. I wish charts were that powerful and that good and could be a crystal ball like that. But right now, all I'm seeing is pretty much support level wise. We fell back below this orange line here, which is the 200-day simple moving average. So really, the next support level is not until this level right here at 0.011. So unless the company comes out with great news or something like that, I think that it'll fall down to right around here. The good news about that is, that's not very far off, so it's not like, the price is way up here, and I'm saying I think it'll fall all the way down here. Nothing like that. Already very close. So hopefully it will get a double bottom, and if you follow charts, you know that the double bottom formation is a nice bullish pattern to see. So we'll just have to keep your eyes out and see if that one occurs or not. Now let's say it doesn't hold and the price falls down through it. My next price target would be right around the bottom of this formation here, where you had a bunch of lows here. Not that much lower down, but on the negative side, that would be dropping back below 0.001. 0009 would be the next area of support. And then if that one falls, then as much as it pains me to say it, because I know there's quite a few people in this one, but if 0009 can't hold, then this is one where I think it's going to get mired back down in the land of triple zeros. If you're new to, or if you're not new to penny stocks, you know that trying to get out of triple zeros is always a challenge. So it's one of those things where at all costs you want to stay out of that area. And if it can hold with 0009 on the bid, then I think that'll be fine. But who knows? Hopefully we'll get the double bottom and it can follow back up. But that's kind of what I'm seeing right now is a possible situation, is we either get a double bottom and make a nice move up, or fall through there. And if 0009 can hold, and this should be green, excuse me, because this is a support, not a resistance. But if 0009 can't hold, then it's the chart's going to get a lot more messy in terms of being able to get another good move is going to be hard, because when the triple zeros come, it just really starts to kind of make things a little more kind of like a tire spinning in mud at times. So that's where we stand now. If we get a bounce, what's the key resistance levels that we'd like to get through? Well, short term right now, the level that I'd like to see a break above and closes above is this level right here. I think this is a very key level here in the short term, and this level is at 0.002. So if we can get some breaks above here and then get some candlestick closes above here on some nice volume, then I think things could really get headed back up in the right direction. But for the time being, this is only going to be the only resistance I talk about, and if we can get some closes above there, I'll be back to update the chart. But that is where we currently stand. So hopefully we get the double bottom play in action that can bounce up and burst through this 002 area, but only time will tell. So we'll just have to kind of sit back and see what unfolds here. If there are any other questions on the chart, please shoot me a message. I'd also encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, which has been getting good reviews. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get trade ideas, chart setups, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. And best part is everything's free. So it's worth signing up and giving it a try, as you really have nothing to lose. One more time, this was BZCN. Thanks for listening.